Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase Wallet to Bitrue in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, transferring your assets securely is key to growing your portfolio. Whether you're moving Bitcoin for trading, staking, or just diversifying, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have both your Coinbase wallet and Bitrue accounts set up and verified. In 2025, security is tighter than ever, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet app or website and log in. Navigate to your Bitcoin holdings. Look for the BTC icon in your wallet dashboard. Once you're there, select the Send or Transfer option. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need your Bitrue wallet address. Head over to your Bitrue account, go to the deposit section, and select Bitcoin. Copy the unique wallet address provided. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be extra careful not to miss any characters. Now, back in Coinbase, paste that Bitrue address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, but remember to leave enough for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review the details carefully to avoid any costly mistakes. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll be prompted to verify the transaction with your authentication method. Once approved, sit back and wait for the network to process it. Depending on Bitcoin's speed that day, this could take a few minutes to an hour. And just like that, your Bitcoin should appear in your Bitrue wallet. Always monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com to ensure everything went smoothly. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Coinbase or Bitrue support. There you have it, folks, a straightforward way to transfer Bitcoin in 2025. This process not only helps you manage your assets better but also keeps you ahead in the crypto game. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.